Alright, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we are going to be unboxing the MICTUNING off-road LED light bar wiring harness. So it comes with a switch, all the wires you need, and a fuse. So let's open it up here and see what we get. Comes in a nice plastic bag. I believe the wires are 6 feet long from the battery. They also include the wire clips you will need to hook up to the light bar that you purchased so that you'll be able to just plug it right into the harness. So, with this particular kit, I believe it has wires for 2 light bars. Yes, it does. So, right here is where the fuse goes. See how you open it up here. I believe it's 30 amp fuse. 30 amp fuse. That plugs in, and then you have the relay. 12 volt, 40 amp. And then you plug the black one into the ground on the battery. And then you use these. Where are they here? Alright, here's the switch. On, off. Let me try to get this all figured out here. Alright. And then for your light bar, you use the black and white wires. Oh, it's still going? Oh, the flash shut off, so I wasn't sure if the video stopped. So that's the unboxing of the MICTUNING off-road LED light bar wiring harness.